Welcome to the seasonal bumper edition of the 67 update from the Air Command and Control Course at RAF Boulmer with a message from the Chief of SAT.
2024 has been another year where the Royal Air Force has been right at the front of defending our country and our allies. With Christmas just around the corner, I know that many of us who have the opportunity are looking forward to a well-earned break with our families and friends. But while those of us lucky enough to get some downtime are enjoying some time away from work, the important business of deterring our adversaries and defending the UK doesn't stop for Christmas. As in every year, many of you will be on duty throughout the period, making sure we are always ready to fly and fight. When you're Defence's first responder, like the RAF is, that readiness comes with a job. I'm incredibly grateful to each and every one of you on duty over the Christmas period. Your service and operational readiness is vital in these challenging times. Thank you. Last year at this time I said that there was nothing to suggest the world will become a less dangerous place in 2024, and sadly that's proved to be the case. The war in Ukraine has lasted over 1,000 days and is fast approaching its third year. And while there is a glimmer of hope in Lebanon, tensions in the Middle East have intensified. The RAF has played its part in both regions, training Ukrainian pilots, supporting NATO air policing in Romania and Iceland, delivering aid in Gaza and striking the Houthis to protect international shipping and our friends in the Navy. Throughout, we've also kept the homeland safe, defending the skies above us and the seas around us.
I'm incredibly proud of each and every one of you for steadfastly delivering against our operational commitments in 2024. I've enjoyed meeting many of you on station visits this year, seeing firsthand the commitment, energy and passion you bring to our service. Thank you for all you have achieved in 2024. It hasn't been easy, and we can be certain of more challenges for us to overcome in 2025. But I know that we will take them in our stride, always ready to fly and fight. If you are on duty this Christmas, thank you for protecting us. If you're spending time with family and friends, I wish you a restful and happy Christmas and New Year.
All of this relies on you, our people. It's a team game that needs our regulars, reserves, civil servants and contractors. That's why my commitment to our people is as strong now as it was when I started as CAS over 18 months ago. Back in June, during our tour of 12 stations in 3 days, we talked about the importance of what we do and what we're doing to address the very obvious challenges we face. The tour also gave me the chance to listen to you and talk about the things that would help. I will stay focused on the priorities I set out when I started: operational mindset, people and infrastructure. And I'll keep talking to you openly and honestly about the progress we are making over the coming year. You can be enormously proud of your service and proud of the role that you have played in it. You are the Royal Air Force, and the Royal Air Force does amazing things every day. What we do and what you do really matters. Thank you for everything you do. I hope that you all have a peaceful Christmas and a very happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this year, and all that's left to say is Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from Gibraltar!
Merry Christmas from RAF Cosford.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from everybody at the Mountain Rescue Service.
Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd da.
Merry Christmas!
Wishing you a very happy Christmas from Ascension Islands and the Falkland Islands.
Happy Christmas!
Merry Christmas everybody from the Royal Air Force Officer Training Academy.